What if I told you the simple act of choosing your breakfast every morning was either slowly poisoning your body or flipping a secret switch that could add vibrant, healthy years to your life? This isn't speculation. It's a biological reality, especially after you cross the milestone of 60. The changes happening inside you aren't just about wrinkles or a little less energy. Deep within your cells, a silent biochemical revolution is underway. Your body's innate repair mechanisms, the maintenance crews that kept you running for decades, are starting to slow down. And in this critical window, your first meal of the day transforms from a casual habit into a powerful directive, a set of instructions that tells your body whether to spend the day fighting decline or accelerating it. When you wake up, your body isn't an empty tank. It's in a profoundly sensitive state, a hormonal and metabolic crossroads. What you put on your plate sends immediate signals that control inflammation, blood sugar chaos, hormonal balance, and even how your DNA expresses itself. That first bite is like pressing a button in your body's command center, setting the trajectory for everything from your heart's strain to your gut's health and your mind's clarity. Research from institutions like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard School of Public Health continues to reveal that certain natural foods operate in ways some pharmaceutical compounds cannot. Drugs often target a single problem, but the right foods awaken the entire, intricate network of your body's own healing intelligence. It's like equipping a weary repair team with the finest tools and blueprints, empowering them to rebuild from within. For those of us in our 60s and beyond, breakfast is no longer just a meal. It's a non-negotiable health strategy. The first cornerstone of this morning ritual is oatmeal, but not just any kind. We're talking about old-fashioned or steel-cut oats. This isn't merely a heart-friendly grain. It's a full biological shield. Inside these humble oats is a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which acts like a gentle, intelligent scrub brush for your cardiovascular system. It seeks out excess cholesterol clinging to your arterial walls and ushers it out of the body, promoting cleaner, freer blood flow. But its true magic unfolds deeper in the dark, vast universe of your gut. Your gut microbiome, that colony of trillions of bacteria, isn't just for digestion. These microbes are frontline commanders of your immune response, controllers of systemic inflammation, and even influencers of your mood. As we age, this community can become depleted, leading to that familiar morning stiffness, unexplained aches, and persistent fatigue. A daily serving of properly prepared oats acts as a potent prebiotic, the preferred fuel for these beneficial armies. Feeding them strengthens your internal defenses, quiets inflammatory fires, and can help lift that heavy veil of low energy. But a crucial warning: the flavored, instant packets lining grocery store shelves are often traps, laden with sugars and artificial additives that sabotage every natural benefit. You must go for the whole, minimally processed oat and cook it yourself. Simmer it with cinnamon, stir in a handful of nuts, and use water or milk. This small, consistent act helps stabilize blood sugar, manages blood pressure, and provides steady, enduring energy. Remember, after 60, your breakfast is a declaration. It either ignites your body's repair systems or quietly dims them. The second, often misunderstood powerhouse is the incredible egg. For years, it was vilified based on outdated science, accused of wrecking cholesterol levels. Modern nutritional science has turned that myth on its head. For most people, the dietary cholesterol in eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol, while the egg itself stands as nature's most complete multivitamin. The silent crisis of aging is sarcopenia, the gradual, relentless loss of muscle mass. This isn't just about weakness. It's about risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. Eggs deliver all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks required to preserve and build lean muscle tissue. But the golden yolk holds the real treasure: choline, a nutrient vital for brain cell communication and memory retention, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect aging eyes from macular degeneration, a primary thief of vision in later years. A couple of eggs in the morning does more than provide protein. It defends your strength, nourishes your brain, and guards your sight. Prepare them boiled, poached, or scrambled with a touch of olive oil, avoiding heavy creams or excessive butter that can provoke inflammation. Then, consider the profoundly undervalued banana. This convenient fruit is a natural potassium reservoir, a mineral essential for maintaining a steady heartbeat, proper muscle function, and healthy blood pressure. With age, potassium levels can drop due to kidney changes or certain medications, making a banana a simple, potent corrective. Its real gift, however, is a special fiber called resistant starch, a prebiotic that journeys to your colon to feed your good gut bacteria. A healthier gut means less inflammation, a stronger immune system, and better overall vitality. Bananas also offer vitamin B6, supporting nerve function and red blood cell formation. To avoid a rapid sugar spike, pair your banana with a protein or healthy fat, like a spoonful of almond butter or a side of yogurt, creating a sustained energy release that prevents mid-morning crashes. Your fourth morning ally is a modest handful of raw nuts and seeds. Think walnuts, almonds, chia, or flax seeds. This mixture builds a powerful anti-inflammatory fortress within your body. They are bursting with omega-3 fatty acids for brain and joint health, vitamin E for cellular protection, and magnesium for hundreds of biochemical processes. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is the hidden enemy behind arterial stiffness, arthritic pain, and cellular decay. A daily portion of nuts and seeds helps manage this fire at its source. Their healthy fats and fiber also slow digestion, providing a long, smooth burn of energy that keeps you feeling stable and satisfied for hours. For those with chewing concerns, grinding them into a smoothie or soaking them overnight makes them perfectly palatable. The fifth and final pillar is yogurt, specifically the plain, unsweetened, probiotic-rich kind. One of the most significant silent shifts with age happens in your digestive tract. Stomach acid decreases, enzyme production wanes, and your population of beneficial gut bacteria naturally declines. This leads to more than discomfort. It weakens your immune system, as a huge portion of your defenses resides in your gut. Yogurt's live probiotics are like deploying reinforcements directly to this internal battlefield. They help maintain the gut lining, crowd out harmful bacteria, and reduce systemic inflammation. Furthermore, yogurt is a stellar source of calcium and vitamin D, directly combating age-related bone density loss and the risk of osteoporosis. Avoid the sugar-laden, colored products masquerading as health food. Choose plain Greek or regular yogurt and enrich it yourself with fresh berries and nuts. For those lactose-sensitive, excellent probiotic options now exist made from coconut, soy, or almond milk. A daily bowl supports not just your gut, but through the profound gut-brain axis, can promote calmer moods and more restful sleep. Here at Senior Wellness Hive, we believe age is a number, but vitality is an active choice. These 5 foods, oats, eggs, bananas, nuts and seeds, and yogurt, do not work in isolation. Together, they form a synergistic nutrition network, activating your body's complex repair protocols in concert. A banana with yogurt offers potassium and probiotics. Walnuts sprinkled on oatmeal deliver omega-3s and soluble fiber. This combination creates an effect greater than the sum of its parts, a holistic support system for your golden years. This isn't about treating disease. It's about creating an internal environment where disease struggles to take root. It's a scientific, actionable reality. The food on your fork each morning sends a message to every cell in your body. It can be a message of surrender to decay, or it can be a rallying cry, a powerful signal to your inner healing teams that support has arrived, and it's time to rebuild, restore, and thrive. That opportunity arrives with every sunrise, right there on your plate, waiting for you to make the choice.